Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to create a TikTok account on iPhone. Let's have a look. Tap on TikTok app and open it. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. You need a TikTok account to continue. You can sign up with phone or email, or you can use Facebook, Google account, Twitter account or Instagram account for sign up. I like to use sign up with phone or email. Tap on sign up with phone or email. Here you can use phone number for sign up or you can use email for sign up. I am using my phone number for sign up. Just enter your phone number on this phone number field and tap on this arrow mark. You will receive a code on your phone number. Just enter the code number and tap on this tick mark. Now set password. Enter a password for your TikTok. That's it. Your TikTok account created. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. It's your TikTok profile. Go to edit profile. Now you can change your display name, also username. Type a name for your TikTok account and tap on username and type a new username for your profile, or you can use default username. Tap on save button at the top right corner. That's it. Display name and username changed. You can add profile photo from here, or you can use profile video. So in this way you can create TikTok account on iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.